bw'umugusi.
Manjito murigeria wigita seni gen Soko TV ni golire lia balena wika Chinsa Isano na Ibere jabono mwaso chinga kina kwaliganira Amayia asintra yo wiknge karanso ike unabutambo nyere munanyana nyirikungo wa kwigo kwaliganira iro nyare gukwemanya manjito murigeria unabutambe tugochakura se county ya Kisini county ya Mira kurento gendera kumanya sobo gali gati ya gendeta kwene kiwa onyori muni county ya Nyandarua a constituency or Kalau obochori obokembo gendete kwene kiwa iribonyare bakumuchora omurayobo gusumo bunge hori batagite nabo gasobwa gare tuchigo kumanya manjito murigeria gwikira boniga ningikeria kende genderete kwene kiwa se constituency yo ya Olikalau unabutambe jengoro kodeana ndemo nabe gotwa kwariganira semesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere. Manjito murigeria togochaka bene nigabamenyi bekinyoro kiandiru yegotoke county ya Homa Bay bakwe murungania igoro yokorwa ko borendi ensemeyo asemateyo yatebire hokebago nigo bogendete gokina sensemeyo kurende nigabamenya uboigo batebira abangi babo nigo batikati ni chingoma chintini naboigo ko werera obogima bwabo. Manjito murigeria toranyora enkwana yabarekura sensemo chiria che skuru yandiru.
Hao wezi nilopata kama uko barabarani place ni mahali penye huwa na branch. Sasa wakatoka kwa ghafla kwa gari wakaniumiza na kifaa butu kwa kichwa. Mnavyoona waliniumiza hadi nilikuwa unconscious, nikajipata niko Homa Bay referral. Imeniathiri kabisa juu sasa mapato ya kila siku yenye kuwa napata sasa singeweza kupata tangu nianze kulazwa hospitalini hadi sasa hii niko nyumbani. So itanichukua gharama ili nianze tena ndio maisha yangu yaendelee kama kawaida.
Hizi ni visa ambazo ziko mingi sana, wale ambao wanaingia kwa maduka na kuvunja na kuchukua mali za wananchi. Hizi maneno ambazo zinafanyika zitafanya wale ambao wanaweka biashara, washikadau ambao wanaweka biashara watatoka. Wakitoroka ni wananchi wa eneo hili ambao wataathirika kikamilifu. Tungeomba serikali walete gari ile ya polisi ili jambo kama hili linapotendeka wanaishughulikia kikamilifu kwa sababu kuna gari ya polisi. Na tena tunaomba walete OCS kwa sababu ni police post na walishafanya gazettement, iletwe polisi ambaye anahusika na rank ya inspector ili aweze akashughulika na watu wake maneno ya utovu wa usalama.
And we are appealing because even after that there were incidences also of thuggery where one person died when they were fighting in the same Diru center almost 2 days after that incident. And but for our case there has not been any.
Manjito murigeria togosika mutwena wekase county ya Nyandarua constituency ya Olikalau sobochori boke bagendete kwenekiwa nigo yokorige kirogo kyobubunge aserieta Sami Kamau nere mambia bono abwatuke nkwana yaye asatebire buna nale no boene naboigo na bwatogosemeria buna nachie kunyaraga kubwa obochori bogendete okorekana asigati yabarai banyara bagwikirana nabego kubwatuka chinkwana chiabo kuri nasono manjito murigeria turanyore nkwana ya Sami Kamau.
Well, for the record, my name is Sami Douglas Kamau Avero, the DCP candidate for this by-election on Kalau constituency. I have just cast my vote right now, and I am very, very, very happy at the speed at which the IBC is working. I had the privilege in the morning to visit several of the polling stations or polling centers. The turnout is very wonderful. The people have come out in numbers, and the officers that are there are doing quite a commendable job. Just a few hitches here and there that are common, like in the morning, some of our agents were asked to provide copies of the ID, which is not a requirement by law, but we had the RO solving the problem adequately. So from where I sit, the process is going on very nicely. The security is very tight. The people are coming out in numbers, and I imagine them to continue coming out. There's still time until 5. Those that are still traveling, we wish them well, safe journeys to arrive here on time, so that every vote counts. That is what we want. Every vote must count. We must exercise that right that is there in our constitution, what we call universal suffrage. Let everyone have the right to vote. Thank you.
Are you confident of winning?
Well, I have done my campaign very well. I've put my trust in God. The numbers are very good from the exit polls, both from our side and even the side that we are competing with. The margins are very wide, and you'll see in a few hours. So to answer your question, in the affirmative, it's an obvious yes.
Nabaigo mwanchito murigeria chinga tutegereta saura ibe kiama gya DCP mo seneta we county ya Nyandarua Senator John Meto. Nabaigo yo kabeira mo seneta we county ya Kakamega Cleophas Malala nabarubuni go batebire ngamba bwate wosemelia huno yobona chigo chabuno mubui nabaigo asibaboli yabamenye bechinseme chikwene kyabunangwe soke bali eribanyare bakubeka ekura yabo nakomochoro muragyoria batagete.
So far so good. We are glad that this is a bright morning, and the people of Olkalau have turned out in large numbers to come and exercise their democratic rights. And we want to say that we've had a very calm morning, no chaos. We expected a little bit of intimidation for our voters, because last evening we had an incident in one of the villages, but we were able to calm the situation. We want to ask and encourage our voters, those who have not turned out, to come and cast their votes, because this is a historic day. We want to remind Kenyans that the firstborn for UDA party was elected on 17th July 2021, and today marks exactly 5 years since UDA was born in Mount Kenya. And today we want to announce that we are going to perform their final rites 5 years down the line, because today is 16th July 2027, and therefore, to me, 2026, I mean, and therefore I believe that this is gold sent, and just encouraging our people. We already have the win. Let us cast our votes. Let us turn out in large numbers, and I believe that where our candidate is going to emerge victorious.
Any issues with the process?
We are here to accompany our candidate, the Honorable Sami Douglas Kamau Waweru, and the process so far is satisfying. We are very satisfied by the plans and the way the IBC is running this election so far. We can't say that we have seen any major issue, especially from the referee, who is the IBC. And I think also in my history as a politician around, this would be one of the highest turnouts that I've seen around that everywhere in the constituency. The people are out, and they are out in large numbers. The only issue that I want to say is to urge our people, please come out and vote early. The process is very seamless. You've seen that all the people who are getting in there, they are spending very few minutes and they are out. The process is quite fast. And so therefore, you have no reason of saying that I'll wait at home until the queues are whatever. You come out and vote, because you spend very little time here at the polling station. So I want to urge all our people, if you can come out and vote before 11, 12, it will be good, so that at least we are certain that Even if it rains, because it's a sunny day, even if it rains, even if whatever happens, we have all voted. We have all exercised our democracy.
Manchito murigeria litukuria rero chinga kibune chiganiga abakenya bange babegeta maisabo ase constituency area Olikalau korigeria ningo barachikunyara bakomochora buna omubunge uranyariga kura e constituency yokurende basaki baitumba chikunyara bakumanya sobwagari wikiraboniga nikirikigendete kwenekiwa wegontunyari tugukumanya asobwagari kurento gusika mutwe nigabarayi Chinsa awe meyensi ya Kenya besokire na kubabolia abarayi kwenekia muna kubwati bariri chiko angemono chinga ki chemesangirikano ya siasa asiburaburu chabire chikwenekiwa Manchito murigira tonyori nkwana ya abarayi Chinsa.
Viongozi badala ya kutafutia vijana wetu kazi, badala ya kuweka mikakati ya kupea vijana wetu kazi, wanawatumia kuharibu mali, kupiga wengine, and la kusikitisha sana paka kuattack kanisa la Mungu. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba kwamba the only gift viongozi hao wanaweza kufanya katika kisasi hiki ni kwa kuweka mikakati ya kupatia vijana wetu kazi. Na vijana ambao mnaotumika, unapotumika kuvunja sheria, sheria itakuandama wewe as an individual. Unapokanyaka katika kanisa la Mungu na kuvunja, kufanya chochote ambacho ni kinyume na mapenzi ya Mungu, unabeba laana as an individual. Hamutabeba laana kama watu 100. No. You will carry that curse to your family, to your generation. Kwa sababu mahali pa Mungu ni mahali pa heshima, ni mahali pa kuheshimika. Kwa hivyo ni jambo la kusikitisha sana, na mimi nakashifu matendo hayo ya goons, vijana kutumika kuzua rapsha, kuzua uharibifu. Tunakemea hilo jambo, tunalaani hilo jambo.
Manchito murigeria no tokora Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere kurenda sibono gende guchingira imirimo biteme tasinige tugen Soko TV unabutambe nchengoro kwa Diana Ndemo nandonyora semtanda yetu yekirero no kunyara gukwimanyira egati yali agendete kwenekiwa kurenda sobo gali tukulia lero ni maitinga amaisa mangeni gale asise mochiria che constituency ya Olikalau nani maite ndi tukulia lero machikunyara bako mochoro gusimba gendete ko mochora umurayo ribataite omanchito murigeria no gusaba gaitunga batware omorembe nabagocibura burunchi bachikwenekiwa banyari bagochora omurayo bo boigo bochori bobo gokorekana bogiasyo kuko no manchito murigeria nitukulia lero ntubwate omumanyi womonwa webimanyerero manchito murieguse oyoko tokonya asensemo yomunwa webimanyerero hasirita Salome nero twabere nero nabega ba director bane kuri studio kabere kwenekia mna Mario gine kibicyango gikirara Chinsa yabene.